MSI Credit Solutions Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. If you're interested in MSI Credit Solutions, links to official service details, consultation pages, and pricing information have been added to the description so you can review what the service includes before getting started. MSI Credit Solutions is a credit repair service designed for individuals who want professional assistance in improving their credit scores by disputing inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable items on their credit reports. It is a consumer-focused service, meaning clients do not need to handle disputes themselves, as the company manages the process on their behalf. This makes it suitable for people dealing with poor or damaged credit who prefer a structured, guided approach rather than doing credit repair manually. One of MSI Credit Solutions' key features is its personalized credit analysis, where specialists review credit reports from major bureaus to identify negative items such as collections, charge-offs, late payments, inquiries, and reporting errors. Based on this analysis, a tailored dispute strategy is created for each client. Another important feature is its dispute handling system, where the company communicates directly with credit bureaus and creditors to challenge inaccurate information. The service typically includes ongoing progress tracking, allowing clients to see updates as disputes move through different stages. MSI Credit Solutions may also provide credit education resources and guidance to help clients understand how credit works and how to maintain better financial habits after the repair process. In terms of strengths, MSI Credit Solutions stands out for offering a fully managed credit repair experience. This is especially beneficial for individuals who are unfamiliar with credit laws or do not want to spend time handling disputes themselves. The personalized approach ensures that strategies are tailored to each client's specific credit situation rather than using generic templates. The service also provides structure and consistency throughout the process, which can be helpful for users who need clear guidance. For many clients, having professionals manage communication with credit bureaus reduces stress and simplifies what can otherwise be a complex and time-consuming process. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. As with all credit repair services, results are not guaranteed, since outcomes depend on the accuracy of credit report data and how credit bureaus respond to disputes. The service can also be relatively expensive compared to DIY credit repair methods, especially if used over several months. Additionally, the credit repair process itself takes time, often requiring patience before noticeable improvements occur. Some users may prefer more control over their credit disputes rather than relying entirely on a third-party service. Overall, MSI Credit Solutions is best suited for individuals who want a hands-off, professionally managed credit repair service with personalized support. If your goal is to outsource the dispute process and work with specialists to improve your credit profile, MSI Credit Solutions is a solid option in the credit repair industry.